Hello, I'm with Reynald Debaut-Henocque, ex-Vice President of Manufacturing of Toyota Motor Manufacturing France. And I would like to talk to him about Kanban, because Kanban is a word often used when talking about lean or Toyota Way and stuff, and yet hardly ever mentioned by Reynald. So I'd like to get Reynald to talk about Kanban. Reynald, what is Kanban for a start? I mean, could you describe it to somebody who might not know what it is?
Yes, I think everybody knows the Kanban. It's a tools to pull the production between the downstream process and the upstream process. And internally, within Toyota, all the Toyota plants are using Kanban since implementation of just-in-time. Long time ago.
A Toyota invention.
Yes, exactly. And globally, we are using the Kanban to secure the supply of parts between our external supplier and our plant, and internally also between the internal supplier and I would say internal customer.
Okay. Am I right in thinking that one of the things that you have to manage correctly is just to adjust the levels, the number of cards, to keep it simple, in the different Kanban loops, depending on the situation?
Yes, globally we have three points we have to take care concerning the Kanban loop. The first is effectively the evolution of the production plan. Through what internal process we call Getsudo, of the ratio of, for example, feeders can move, or the ratio of some motorization can also change from 1 month to another month. Means we will have to adjust our Kanban loop. Second point of our attention is the production of service parts. When, for example, winter time is coming and there is some icy condition on the road, we can have some, say, increase of the demands of doors or fender or something linked with some, say, car crash condition, and meanings the parts we are using are the same than the parts we are using for the normal production. Means we have to take care of these kind of situations. And I would say the third point of our attention is the scrap declaration. It's also one factor we have to take care to avoid some trouble in our Kanban loop.
Because if somebody forgets or does not indicate that they've had to scrap a part, the Kanban loop will run empty, in fact.
Exactly.
Right.
And we will have some shortage, meaning shortage we have some special transport to do, and that will impact our internal cost, and we are...
Okay. So am I right, the reason that, in fact, when you talk about what you've done within Toyota, you don't often, or very rarely, in fact, use the word Kanban, it's just because it's been there for so long now, you don't think about it so much, and maybe also it's simpler, more robust, more mechanical than some of the other things you have to work on, such as 5Ys, 5S, and that sort of stuff, right? I feel Kanban is so obvious to you and all your colleagues that you hardly have to mention it. It's just so simple. Is that correct?
Yes, because I think, as I was mentioning previously, Kanban is now existing for a long time, and we have good standardization of the usage of the Kanban. But I think our procurement specialists they are doing a very good job, and it's not. I want to mention that also, but effectively, I think it's easier than to do some 5S activities, which is not not at the same level of standardization than the Kanban usage.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Reynald, for telling us about Kanban as viewed by Toyota. So what is Kanban in the Toyota way in Lean and stuff. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.